In this example, I need to solve for y in the problem ax plus by equals c. Well, this equation looks a little bit different than a lot of the linear equations we've been dealing with because it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 variables in it right now. And these are often called literal equations or formulas. And how do we solve those? Well, to solve a formula for a specified variable, we treat that variable as if it was the only one in the equation. We treat all other variables as if they were numbers. So notice I'm trying to solve for y, which is right here. So I have ax plus by equals c. So we've got to act as though y is our only variable. Everybody else is a number. So if you get very overwhelmed with the ax, by's, and c's, pretend everybody else is a number. Just make them up as you go along. What happens if a was 1 and x was 2 plus, I'm going to be very boring, b is 3, y equals 4. How would you solve this problem? Well, you've multiplied 2 times 1, get 2 plus 3y equals 4. Can I do anything over here? Can I combine my a and x? No, I just have to leave that as a times x. What would be the next step over here? I want to isolate the 3y term. So you'd subtract 2 from both sides, and you'd get 3y equals 4 minus 2 is 2. So that's exactly what we're going to do over here. I've got to get rid of the ax term. So I'm just going to subtract ax from both sides. Ax minus ax is 0, so the only thing on the left-hand side is b times y. Now, can I combine these? No, so I just leave it as c minus ax. Now, over here, what would you do to get y by itself? You divide both sides by 3. How am I going to get this y by itself? I'm going to divide both sides by b. So my b's reduce, and I just get y equals, can I simplify any of this? No. So I get c minus ax all divided by b. I can't simplify it. That is my answer. So solving formulas or literal equations is almost easier than this equation here because I don't have to do any arithmetic. I can't combine any like terms.